Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a gallery in Squarespace. So in order to do this, first of all navigate to your squarespace.com and log in using user credentials. After logging in, you'll be on this page. Here, click on the edit icon at the top of your website. Now scroll down and navigate to the section where you want to add gallery. So I will add it right here. I will just click on that section, click on plus add block option at the top left, then search for gallery. Here, you'll have to click on the add section button. Now, you will see this page. Here, scroll down and navigate to images. Click on images and choose the gallery-like format that you want to add. Now, after doing this, you will see the gallery appearing just right here. As you can see, I have successfully added this gallery. Now, I'll have to just click on edit gallery button at the top right and I will see the gallery appearing here. In order to delete the pre-existing images, click on the delete icon at the top of the image and this will instantly delete that image. Now, after deleting all the images, click on plus icon, click on upload images. Now, upload the images that you want to upload and choose the files from your PC's directory that you want to upload, then click on close. And as you can see, I have successfully added a gallery and added my images to it. You can also click on that gallery, click on edit section and do settings for different kind of elements in this gallery. So that is a simple way to add a gallery on Squarespace. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.